Hello, this is Gary Marr from Glendale Community College. In this screen capture, I wanted to do a short demonstration of Draw.io, which is a free drawing program that you can run over the internet. This could be used to do the flowcharts, and also there's an assignment near the end of the course, assignment 10, where we have to build a storyboard. This particular product would work for that. It's not quite as robust as Visio is. But if you're on a computer that doesn't have Visio, or you don't have a Microsoft product that can run Visio, this is a good alternative. So Draw.io is the name of the URL. You'll type that in, you'll get this diagram to start off with. I want to create a new diagram. I want to create a flowchart that's a blank flowchart. So simply select flowcharts and then create. You can use one of those templates if you'd like, but I don't think you want to go there. It's going to put a lot of stuff out there that you're not interested in. The symbols and the way this works is pretty much the same as Visio. A couple of slight differences. What I'll use is the ellipse for my start symbol, which all flowcharts need, and I'll also use that same symbol for the end or exit, and let's put end in there. Let's also put a parallelogram, which is for input, and so I'll put input name, and you can see this works much the same as Visio. I simply select the symbol and then I'll type the text within it. Let's have another output symbol here that's going to print name. And now I've got a chart with a bunch of symbols, and I can move these around just like I did with Visio. You can see some guidelines come up to help me center everything. When it comes to connecting the lines, I'm going to select the appropriate line I want, and then I'm simply going to just drop from end to end, or from symbol to symbol, I should say, the direction of the lines, and voila, I have a drawing created. I can also play with colors, I can play with text, I can move this around. I've gotten a little better with this over time, although I cut my teeth on Visio, so that's probably my preferred product. When it comes to sending assignments to me, you'll select File, and then you want to select Export As. You'll choose PDF, or excuse me, one of the different options for graphics or a PDF file is probably the best thing. You don't need to select any of those. Simply say export. It'll ask you where you want to export it to. Put it to your device so you can add it as an attachment. It'll come up with another screen here. Oh, there it is. I'm sorry. I never did title it, so it says untitled. This is now a file sitting on my computer. I would take and add this to my Canvas assignment, and voila, I have a completed flowchart. Hope that helps.